Here's how anyone can make more money working as little as 30 minutes a day in a simple online business, even if you've never done anything like this before, even if you have tried to make money online in the past, but still not had the success you were hoping for. Stick with me and learn exactly how you can make a full-time income working as little as 30 minutes a day. And since this business is all done online, you can put that time in whenever it's convenient for you. I even do this while I'm out sailing. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay, coming to you again today from our home here on beautiful Loon Lake up in the Adirondack Mountains. I've been making money online full-time for over 23 years now, and I've seen just about every online business out there. Many are too complicated, many take too much time, and most of them, you never make the money you wanted. But I've found something different, and it's been my #1 recommended income stream for over 4 years now. It's how I create both the money I want and the free time to enjoy it too. It lets me ski most days in the winter and sail most days in the summer. While most people are stuck at their job, this might be just right for you too. It's an affiliate marketing home business. In affiliate marketing, you market someone else's product or service and they get paid a commission. I really like affiliate marketing. There are no products to handle, no customer service issues. And with the right affiliate business and marketing system, it can be super simple to make more money. Your previous experience does not matter. So here are the specifics on the business that I build and recommend. We market 4 high-demand digital products ranging in price from $10 to $1,000. We get paid an industry-leading 80% commissions on each of those products. That means that you can make as much as $800 on a single sale. Plus, on 3 of the products, you also earn long-term recurring or passive income too. Imagine still getting paid again and again months from now for the sales that you make today. You can get paid every Thursday by direct deposit. There are no long commission holds, no waiting for a check in the mail. You'll have your own high-converting marketing system to automate your business and leverage your time. This is the key to what I call my 30-minute workday. With this system, you'll have landing or lead capture pages, sales pages, and follow-up emails ready to send out. You will not have to create anything. All of the techie stuff is done for you. Your automated marketing system will be just like the one I use, but yours will be personalized to brand and promote you. Then all you do is send traffic to your website and let the system take it from there. Both our company and our team are big on training and support. We will teach you everything you need to make more money, again, working just minutes a day. We have a terrific training website with dozens of how-to videos, simple, easy to follow training that you can take in at your convenience. Following our unique Quick Start training, you can make money fast. Many new people make money their very first day. We hold live, interactive conference calls on Zoom, held 6 days a week, and these calls are recorded to watch later if you can't be there live. We have our own social media app where we share ideas and answer questions. You will love being part of our online community. And lastly, to help you make more money, I will be your personal mentor and coach. You will never wonder about what to do next. So to learn more and to start making more money working just minutes a day, take our online tour at makemorefaster.com.